There's a few different ways that anybody can make money with AI art just like this, or having AI create crazy logo designs for you like this. As a graphic designer myself, I can tell you that you can sell this AI art directly to people that's seeking them, like these cartoon logos, or these 3D logo designs, or these sneaker logo designs, all created with a few keystrokes and in the push of a button using AI. Before AI, it would have taken a designer with a ton of skill and time to create what AI can create, causing it to be very costly to the average person needing a logo. But that's no longer the case. You can now use AI to create all kinds of designs and sell them directly to people who typically could never or would never pay for this level of design work. If they have an idea or have a sketch that needs to be brought to life, Midjourney can accomplish that task 100% free, and your skill level does not matter at all. Bro, the world is changing and we cannot be left behind. So I'm gonna tell you how Midjourney works, other ideas that you can cash in on it, including ways that you can go viral. And when you leave this video, you will be very prepared to make your first $500. Alright, so the way Midjourney works is simple. You input words and it spits out what it thinks you're going for. It's crazy. It's almost like your own personal designer. And as a graphic designer myself, the way that works is the better you tell me what you want, the better the final product is. And Midjourney is the exact same way. So let's say you wanted to mock up a shirt for a rock band. You can put in t-shirt and then it will bring back something like this. Or you could put in t-shirt for rock band with green accents, and you can see how the image completely takes on a new life. And see, that's the whole key when it comes to using Midjourney to make these kind of images that do make money. How clear can you describe what you're trying to get? Now, using Midjourney is simple. You simply need to go to Midjourney, sign up through Discord, and go to one of the freebie chat rooms. From there, you type /imagine and literally any prompt and watch your creativity flow. Now, I'm gonna warn you, bro, if you are a creative person or have any bone of imagination in your body, you will lose time to this. But nonetheless, you can make it to make money. Like, one thing anybody can do is create web layouts for smaller companies. Now, there are job postings for web design every day, and so we know how valuable of a skill that is. And with web design, you don't have to know code at all. Now, here's one of the biggest problems that Midjourney solves. Now, a lot of the times clients have a very vague idea of what they want, but a lot of the times they want a Gucci website on a USPA budget. And now it's 100% possible to expedite the mock-up portion of this task. See, Midjourney has a framework where it creates very nice website design ideas. And to make it even better, you can take a screenshot of your website and then use prompts to adjust it and modify it to however you want it. So you just give it a link to an image, give it some specific prompts, and use that image as your starting point. And then boom, you have a beautiful design. And the crazy part is, bro, not only can you do this with websites, you can do this with any image, not even including websites. Now, don't worry about code. You can still make a business out of this. All you would need to do is go on Fiverr, find a developer who specializes in converting images into code, and you can get them from anywhere from $150 to $400. You can easily get $1,000 on the low end for a good, nice website. It's all about how well you can prompt, and stick along because I'm going to show you secret tips to improve your prompting and more ideas, like creating memes for influencers. Now, believe it or not, the tweets, the Instagram posts of viral things you see are rarely done by the person that runs that page, right? A lot of the times they pay in cash or attention, which is just as valuable as money in today's world. Making viral content and viral memes all depends on how well you can make an image that stands out. And with Midjourney, you now have access to images that don't even exist. So it's no limit to how crazy you can get as far as your imagination. Now, recently we've been seeing images go viral of Donald Trump being chased by policemen, his mugshot, and you better believe that those were all created in AI in Midjourney more than likely. Now, after you come up with these images, start an Instagram post of your own. Use the right hashtag. And then once you've done that for maybe a week, then it's time to go to influencers and start pitching them, start sending them your viral content, start to stay on top of trends and make different memes. And you will no doubt either pick up a client or pick up somebody who's going to help you grow by crediting you in all these viral memes. Now, I want to tell you the secret to getting good at prompts, right? Because ultimately prompting and how specific you're going to be able to get is going to determine your success using Midjourney. You can actually use ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts. Now, ChatGPT doesn't know what Midjourney is, so you're going to have to pretty much explain to ChatGPT that you want to create detailed prompt for an AI image generator that works off of text. Also, in the community showcase, right? That's the cool thing about Midjourney is learning. You can see what everyone else is doing. In the community showcase, you can actually copy prompts, copy commands, and use those to study and see how people are generating just these beautiful, high detailed images. Don't take nobody's word, but just use those prompts and tweak them to get what you want. If you're following along and you are a creative brain, then your creative juices are flowing right now. And that's what you got to realize with AI. These tools aren't going to create these businesses for you. However, they will help you become more efficient than anybody else. You have to really think outside the box and think about ways that Midjourney can help you, like selling digital assets directly to creators. Now, I'm a YouTuber and I'm a graphic designer, right? And one of the most challenging things about the editing process in both is finding images that are high quality and unique, right? In order to hold your attention, I've got to show you things that maybe you've never seen before. And when you're using stock photo sites that many people have access to, that becomes a hard task. That is no longer. Let's say there's a website, right? And they have low quality images on their menu. They sell sushi. I could go to a stock images website or even do Google images and find sushi, right? But what gives me more value is if I can either come in and shoot high quality images of their sushi, or if I can generate them with AI, right? Or let's say there's a girl in my city and she sells candy apples, right? And she needs appetizing, just really high quality images of her product. She doesn't know or have the budget to get them taken. With Midjourney, I could type in a prompt like high quality, ultra real, very shiny candy apple with a strawberry on top and get that image. And where the true value comes in is not only being able to sell that image directly to somebody, but even being able to upload it to some of these stock website places and get paid per download for these images. So man, there's several things. There's canvas art you can make. I've sold a lot of canvas art. There's just a lot of ways that Midjourney can streamline what we're doing. I have a video where I use Midjourney to create a mixtape cover design. Meet me over that video, and hey, subscribe while you at it. Rico gang, I love y'all. Let's get it.